Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name's Nancy. I'm a makeup artist and I have an eyeliner hack for you if you have hooded eyes or hidden lids. So that space above on your eyelid is precious and we don't want to just cover that little bit of space with a eyeliner. What we want to do is instead of doing eyeliner on top of your eye, we're going to do it underneath your lash line. So go ahead and grab your eyeliner pencil, something that's a gel and it's going to go nice and smooth on your eyes without tugging or pulling. I like to use an eyeliner gel. So I'll go ahead and load my brush. I've got a flat, stiff brush. Here's the key. You're going to look down into the mirror and you're going to push that product right underneath your lash line. Just go all the way across your eyelid or your underneath there with this eyeliner color. And what this is going to do is it's going to give you definition without taking away any space from your eyelid. Now go ahead, you can apply the rest of your eye makeup, put on some mascara. You're going to see how open your eyes will look. You're going to look fresh, amazing. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you try it, how it works. If you're subscribed to the channel, yay! If not, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. I always have resources in the box below. Until next time, mwah, bye-bye.